Hi everyone and welcome back to Healing Gems. Thanks for joining me today. Okay, so first of all, apologies for my war wound that I have on my head. I couldn't wait for it to heal for me to make this video because I'm really excited to share some news. I have been quite quiet lately on YouTube. I haven't been making any videos because I have been pouring all my energy, my heart and my soul into putting together a new healing from CFS guide that I will be able to share with you. Now, this guide is something that I really wish that I had when I first got ill with chronic fatigue. I have pulled all the research, downloaded all the information that I've got in my head from the last decade or so, and put it into a guide which is simple, which is easy to action, which is easy to digest, because obviously when you have CFS it's hard to digest a lot of information all at once and it can be overwhelming. So I put it all together in a guide which will help you to heal from chronic fatigue no matter what stage that you are at. And I've even broken it down into the different stages of healing that you find yourself in with chronic fatigue and what tools that you should be using at each stage of the illness. So the guide I have, it's 46 pages. There's a lot of information in there, and it is a really cost-effective way of healing that I think, something that you haven't got to invest a lot of money into in order to get pretty much all the information that you need at every stage of healing to be able to put into practice yourself. So it consists of 9 different areas, and that is everything from pacing and brain retraining through to finding purpose and joy, which I think and believe are real elements that you need to have in order to heal from chronic fatigue syndrome. So as I said, I have been putting all of my energy into this. I have, pulled all the information that I think has been the most helpful over my journey into this simple nervous system led, somatic led guide that consists of 6 guided meditations. It contains a whole heap of practical tools and actionable things that you can do, because we know that you really have to put things into practice in order to heal from chronic fatigue, and it outlines all of those things. So that's what I've been doing for the last few months, and I've enjoyed every minute of it, putting all the information together, designing the workbook. I've had a lot of fun. It's been a heart-led project for me, but I've really enjoyed doing it. And this is the first edition, and obviously the more feedback I get on it, I'll be able to tweak it even more to make it even better for people. So I just wanted to let you know that that's what I've been doing. So I put this onto a Stan store where it can be purchased and downloaded, but even more so, I have created a freebie for you. So you can download my most popular brain retraining meditation for free with no ads, because at the moment I don't have enough watch hours on YouTube. They change the goalposts every 5 minutes. So I don't have enough watch hours for people to watch my meditations without adverts popping up. So this will give you the free brain retraining. It's a 20-minute brain retraining meditation which you can keep on your device and do anytime with no interruptions. And in that same area you can download a free podcast which gives you an overview of the CFS healing workbook, which will explain in much more detail about what the guide consists of. It will give you handy hints inside it which you can use and without even purchasing the guide. But then if you do feel that you want to go further and you want to go deeper and you really want to invest in yourself and your healing journey for $29. You can purchase the guide and say it contains the guide, it contains 6 guided meditations, it contains so many tools for you to use straight away on your healing journey. And I think 99% of people will get a lot of help from this guide, and it will move the needle for you. I can fully believe that, because these are all the tools that I've used on my healing journey, that other people have used, the countless hours and I would say thousands of hours worth of research that I have done, courses that I have been on. I have compiled it and I have consolidated it into this easy to read, actionable, simple guide that takes all of that away from you, so you don't have to go and spend all of those hours trying to pull pieces of information together and put them in one place and understand them. I've done that because when I got chronic fatigue, none of this existed. There wasn't so many YouTube channels, and there wasn't podcasts, and there wasn't all these training courses. In fact, there's probably so many out there now that is overwhelming in itself. There wasn't any of that. So I've done all that legwork for you, and you just need to plod your way through the guide at a pace that is easy and realistic for you. There's no timeline on it. It is self-paced healing. So give it a go. $29. That's probably the price of, I don't know, a lunch out really these days. So, but no pressure. You can go to my Stan store first of all, and you can download the meditation for free. Obviously watch more videos on my YouTube, which are all for free, just to get to know, the type of person that I am, that the kind of healing that I offer, and see if it's something that resonates with you. And if it's not, then you don't need to do anything more. But I do suggest download that free meditation that I've got, listen to the podcast, because even just by listening to that, I think it's 17 minutes, even by listening to that podcast, there's loads of tips and tips and tricks in there for you to be able to use and start putting into action, actually, to help you with your health and your healing. Okay, so I think that kind of covers it. I just wanted to share my exciting news with you, because I have been really excited to create this. I've enjoyed creating it, and I would also be really thankful for any feedback that I get from it, for me to be able to tweak it and change it in any way which is going to help more people on their healing journey. Okay, so that's my big news. That's why I've been quiet, and I really just wanted to share that information with you and hope that it will help you in some way if you do decide to download it and have a flick through. And plus you can give it to people that are helping you, caring for you, so they can understand chronic fatigue more. I've been working with a client who has had great strides with her health, and in fact that I've put a testimonial on the Stan store, and I can put her testimonial actually in the link in the description below. She's not healed fully from chronic fatigue. She became ill at the beginning of last year, and she's made great strides to now be able to going outside, to being able to socialize, go on dates, and live a more fulfilling life while she is healing. So that to me has made putting the guide together worth it. If it helps a couple of people, it's worth it for me. I'm not in this to make huge amounts of money or anything like that. I do this as a part-time thing. My goal is and I always said, when I learn how to heal from chronic fatigue and make strides in my health, I want to share that information with people, and that is what I have tried to do. It has been my passion, it has been my drive, it has been something that I am so involved in that I just, want to share the information with other people. So anyway, I will stop rambling now and let you get on with your day. But say if you feel inclined, please check out the podcast, do the meditation, and if you have a spare $29 that you can spare, then I think the guide will really benefit you. Okay, namaste for now. Bye.